Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduates, electronics graduates, C&A graduates and mechatronics graduate. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Ceat Tyre. So job location will be in Chennai as well as Pan India. It's a high salary job and those who are willing to work in tire manufacturing company can apply for it. So regarding the company, so they give the topmost priority to health and safety of their employees. To achieve an accident-free work environment, you can join there, and they have all precautions. Just have a glance of the details of the company. So designation will be graduate engineer training, and you must have 60% throughout. Female candidates only can apply. You should be from mechanical, electronics, instrumentation, mechatronics, or similar background. 2022 pass out can apply. You must be from Tier 1 and Tier 2 engineering colleges. Role will be a permanent one and years of experience is fresher. Job location will be in Chennai as well as Pan India. So you'll be getting a salary of 5.5 to 6 lakh per annum, and roles and responsibilities I have clearly mentioned in the description. Just have a glance of it and act accordingly and apply for the job. They will be contacting you or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number for further details. If you like this video, means would you like and share the video to all BTech mechanical, electronics, C&I, mechatronics people. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.